Hey guys, today we're out here going to work on a 2014 Ford Edge. We're putting remote start on it. I got the factory remote start. You have to program the keys, put a hood switch in, and a couple other items. So we'll have you join us as we go through this process. Thanks. Here's the Ford Edge we're going to take a look at. So the first thing I got to do is you have to work. Add the hood switch to this, and I think this one actually goes right in this slot here. And this should be our connector for it. The Ford actually puts the connector on here and just has it capped off for now until you're ready to use it. So we will get our hood switch into this slot and then plug it in. Okay, like I said before, we need to put the hood switch in. This here's the hood switch. It actually fits right in there rather nicely. Our connector here. Take two hands, guys, and clip this on. So hang on a sec here. Okay, guys, this is our antenna receiver, and then it came with this wiring harness. I just plugged the harness into this, and then we got to get to the control module down in there and plug this in, and then we'll tape that up. This is underneath the glove box. Drop the glove box down and you can get to it. Okay, guys. So earlier, everything I read said that tire pressure monitoring module was underneath the glove box. For the 2014 Edge, it's not. It's actually behind the left rear quarter panel plastic. Everybody says you got to pull this whole battery tray out and everything out, or the whole spare tire tray, all this stuff. You're actually able to pop it out here, not have to do that. And I was able to just pop the clips off the side here and access it. Once you get in here, this is our module we want, and we just plug in. There's a connector right on the bottom of it. Goes the gray one, plugs into for our antenna, and then we actually just going to mount it on the side of the body here with zip ties. So we finished the remote start tonight. As you can hear, it starts right up, no problem. Shuts off. The only problem we had was that we only had one key, so we had to program two new keys. My friend Scott came over. There's Ford software. We got them programmed. Once they're programmed, the full process to assign the buttons for the keys were super easy, and it put the harness, the hood switch, and the antenna in. Took me less than 30 minutes. So if you're going to do this, I recommend getting the Ford remote start kit. Just add on to yours. It's super simple. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you a little bit. Like I said, pretty simple process. Took all total, I guess we're probably into it for about an hour by the time we program everything, but super easy to install. Come with everything we needed: the hood switch, the wiring harness, two keys, and the antenna. And I spent less than $100, so worked out great. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button.